Hello, my name is Emily Zarang. I'm here to talk to you today about Nurse Practice Acts. NPAs are laws that govern the practice of nursing. Each state has one. Each law is different, but they have some major similarities. For example, in every state, the NCLEX RN exam must be passed. One of the purposes of NPAs is to define who can and cannot be an RN through a definition of what a nurse is. It also provides a layer of protection around people in the state against those who cannot practice safely. These laws also include requirements for advanced practice RNs. So NPAs include a scope of practice, which is what the nurse can do and what they cannot do. However, most of these laws avoid specific skills so that the laws do not have to be changed frequently to accommodate new technology and procedures. These laws also have a list of requirements for a person to obtain licensure as a nurse. These requirements can include things like the proof of graduation from a nursing program and a record of any legal proceedings. These laws also include disciplinary measures and the violations that may require the revocation of a license and what must be done to reobtain that license. Each state has a board of nursing. They are responsible for enforcing these acts. They are responsible for licensure. And it is also important to know what is in these NPAs. However, most nurses have not read these laws and do not know what is in them. In regards to QSIN, safety can be considered preventing harm to the patient and to the provider. This is done in several ways. One of them is licensure. A person must prove that they can practice safely before becoming a nurse. And if a nurse were to demonstrate that they can no longer practice safely, these laws provide for disciplinary action against those individuals. Also, each state has their own requirements for continuing education. It is not enough for a nurse to simply prove that they can practice safely once. They must do it continuously, and they must also keep up with new practices. In regards to the BSN Essentials, the Nurse Practice Acts are important for professionalism, which can be defined as maintaining nursing as an identity. Since these laws have definitions of nursing, they are essential to maintaining that concept. These are my references. Thank you for listening today.